Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a dollar store wreath. Right now I am cutting little pieces of my mesh, and I do have a tutorial that I will link down below that I learned from to do this, but you are going to want enough to do one of those, like a little loop, and then you're just going to cut it. So right now I'm just cutting all of my mesh to do that because I did wing it, as you can see right here, and I'm not the biggest fan. I don't hate it, but I would like it to look differently. So right now I'm planning on just putting my boo right here. So that'll be fine, but for the rest of the wreath, I would like it to look like it was really well done. So that's all you're going to be doing for right now. You're going to start off and just cut all of your mesh, and I do I'm going to get my wire, and I'm going to cut a decently long amount. Not too long, but long enough. And I'm going to use the 2 wires and flip this around, and I'm going to attach it. And I'm going to do that first. I'm going to actually do 5 of them because that's what she did in her video. I'm doing it correctly. So we got our little curls, and then you always want them to face out. Alright, so that looks pretty good. There we go, first one. Got a nice little bow, and I'm sorry if you can't see too well, but I'm sure as we go on, it'll become easier to see. And look how cute. Now we got 2. And I'm gonna put them together. I got some ribbon, I think. guys, so I finished these sections. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it's looking very fluffy, very pretty. Sorry, this is all hanging on there. But yes, I finished that. And we are going to do this side together. I already did my wires. So I'm just going to continue doing the same thing. Just gonna be we only have a few black strips left. So rarely we are gonna be using the black strips, but honestly, I think it looks better when you don't have a pattern, like you're just doing it, and however it looks good for you, and do it that way. So yeah, remember we're scrunching it, and then we're just putting it on our wire or pipe cleaner if you have one or the other. I'm just gonna move those other guys. It is a little bit annoying when you have the wire already on it, but it does make it a lot easier. And I'll either cut off the wire or I'll wrap it around. Doesn't really matter, doesn't make a difference. And we have so many that once you get them all done, you don't even see the wire. So. I'm gonna bring my orange over here. And we're just doing the exact same thing. Hi guys, sorry my camera died, but at least I do have my phone with me, and maybe you can see this even clearer. Hopefully it's not a big deal, but we are just going to keep doing what we're doing. We're making our little bows, and we are attaching them. I'm sorry, if you aren't following along, I will have the link down below, like I stated. She's a pretty good teacher, and yeah, but I would recommend waiting until the end because we are going to decorate together, and that you will be able to see, and that is well, that's what I'm most excited for.
What we do here is go back.